Hello, today we're going to have another look at camera bags. In this case it's a K&F Concept camera backpack. They tend not to call them by names, they tend to have numbers for them, so I'll put the link to the number at the top what this is. It's about a 25 litre bag and it is now what I would class as my go-to bag. If I'm using specialist lenses, big say 500s or something like that, it would be a different camera bag. This is one for the average go-to day. It's geared up ready for me that I can just pick it up and go. As you can see in the front, you can strap your camera tripod down the centre. Some of them allow you to put them down the side, but it tends to make you slightly off balance, so this one has one that you can put down the middle. I'll just remove that out of the way. It's made of a black nylon material. It's a ripstop material, so I think it will stand quite a bit of abrasion. And you can see there's a pouch at the bottom. That tucks away down inside out of sight. Turn it round, and on the back you can see you've two really good padded straps. These are well padded and actually very comfortable to carry. It also has the chest clip at the front, so you can close that for easy carrying, and it's got this side round your waist that you can adjust to suit your waist and take the weight off it there. It has slight ventilation on here, this being padded. There's a bit of air can circulate through there. So I turn it back round. Oh, before that you can see that there's actually extra clips I've got on here. I have a tendency to clip these on. I can hang various items on that I take with me some days in the field. Turn it round, and on the side you've got a clip here, and you've also got a mesh bag at the bottom. In this case I'm actually carrying one of their smaller tripods in there. I quite often use that with my phone. You can clip the phone in there and down. I'll just put that back in. You can put whatever you like into these, and again you've got, if it's something long, you can actually clip that shut there. Turn it round to the other side, and you'll notice that I actually have an extra bag on there. From time to time I need to take my flash triggers with me, and if I'm loaded up with lenses I just hook it onto the side. It just clips in there, slits through there. Leave that off. Again, you've got another mesh bag, water bottle, whatever you like to put in it. In this case I have a small K&F Concept monocular in there. These straps play double parts, so I'll show you again shortly what these are for. But if we turn it back round, at the top of the shoulder pads we actually have two clips. So if I release these clips, it allows me to access this zip. And the zip is tucked away, it's here. We'll open it up and it gives you access to the back, and that allows me to slot in an iPad, laptop, anything like that. But I've actually got the waterproof cover that comes with it to put in there, and I've actually got another coat stashed down in there as well. I don't use that often. I would normally keep these closed. Turn it round. You have two long pockets on the front here, both the exact same. They zip open. I've got camera strap, pen, I've got a remote release in there, one or two other bits and pieces up like that, and it's the same on that side. Again, I've just got a wipe there. You've got your attachment that you can put your car keys on for safety, clips them in there, down in there. There's a mesh pocket there as well. Again, you just customise these to suit yourself. But the main camera bag itself is in the top half here. Now when these are closed, as they would normally be when you're carrying it, when you open this you can only open it so far. That gives you access just to the camera itself. But unfasten these, and that will allow me to open up the rest of the bag, and inside again it's as you would customise it for your needs. So we have again a zip mesh bag at the top there. You've got another zipped one here, just I have a rain cover in there, and down the bottom you've got two square holders. I have a notebook and pen. You could put your filters in there. I've actually got them in there today. The actual main compartments, you customise this just to suit your own needs. There's plenty of options there with the Velcro attachments and all the different dividers that you get with it. I have actually had a professional body with a 70 to 200 in there. It is very tight and not something I would use very often. As a day bag, I have my camera there. I've actually got another small camera there. I've got batteries in there. I've got hat in there, extra lens, flash, air blower, hat, and my filter system is at the bottom. But again, you would just customise that to suit yourself. Filters, again, always worth carrying with you. And I'll talk a wee bit about at the end about this new one from K&F Concept, which is their ND 10-stop filter and holder, which is a really good item and worth carrying. A lot of people think these days that you can do everything in computer, but trust me, if you use a filter in the field, it will save you a lot of time later. So right, we'll just zip this back up now. Clip these back shut. Is open. I've got direct access to the camera at any point to get back in there. It saves opening up the whole camera bag. Zip that back up and that's it, good to go. Carrying handle on the top, and as I say, very comfortable, fully adjustable straps at the bottom there. You can have them set to whatever size you want, and certainly not an expensive bag, and one well worth looking out for. Say about 25 litres, but it couldn't hold 2 cameras, various lenses, flash, whatever you decide to put in it, and it's just a case, it's ready to go, just pick it up and go. This is the K&F Concept square filter system. In this box we have 2 items. Inside we have 2 separate boxes. One has the ND 10-stop filter on the right, and the other is the filter system itself. When you open it up inside, you don't need to rip these boxes open. They've got magnetic catches, so they flip up. Not that you'll carry them in the field probably, but on the right you've got a nice leather holder there with the filter in it, and on the left you have the actual filter holder, and in this case with an adapter ring attached. I know most people will have separate lenses that they use of various sizes, and this comes with 8 different attachment rings to the front, so there should be a filter thread size there that would fit your lens. The filter holder itself comes detachable, and personally I would always slip this in at the last minute. I'll put the ring to the camera first, but I'll show you this is how it fits together. Just a simple slot in, release the catch, and that's it. And there you have the filter holder at the front. That wee brass clip on the side is what releases the actual adapter ring that fits it onto your lens. So you just push it in, clicks out, and there you go. The filter itself, as I say, comes in this nice leather holder. You never touch these with your fingers, so you've got that orange strap you pull up, and inside you've got the filter. In this case it's the 10-stop ND filter. Basically it just looks like a piece of welder's glass, very, very dark glass, which gives you the ability to use very slow shutter speeds, even on a bright sunny day. To fit the filter itself, it just slots in the front. There is slots for 2 different filters, quite tight and take a bit of pushing down. So I usually do it like this with the 2 thumbs at the top, hold it, push it down, and that's why I would leave the adapter ring fastened to the camera first and then slot this in afterwards. You can also obviously attach any other filter, square filter that you have. In this case, this is a graduated grey filter, and again it just slots in the exact same way.